Welcome to a quick guide on turning on your active status on Facebook. If you've ever wondered when your friends can see that you're online, this video will walk you through the steps clearly and simply. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to adjust. Once the app is open, look for the three lines, which is the menu, and tap it. You'll typically find this icon in the bottom right on iOS devices or the top right on Android. Accessing this menu brings up a long list of options and settings you can explore. Scroll through the menu until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap that to expand more options, then select Settings. This is where Facebook stores the various controls for your account, including who can see you online. In the Settings menu, you'll find a section labeled Audience and Visibility. This area contains privacy and presence controls that determine how others interact with you. Tap Active Status to open the next screen where you can manage whether Facebook shows you as online. On the Active Status screen, you'll see the option labeled Show when you're active. This is the toggle you want to adjust. Turn it on to let friends see when you're active on Facebook. When enabled, your friends can see a green dot or a similar indicator next to your name, signaling that you're currently online or recently active. If you ever want to pause this visibility, you can return to the same active status screen and toggle show when you're active off. This doesn't delete any messages or affect your ability to chat. It simply hides your online presence from others. A quick tip, active status works based on your device's connection to Facebook. If you're using Messenger separately, the status may reflect activity there as well, depending on your settings. Also, bear in mind that you can customize who sees your active status in some regions by adjusting privacy settings, but the most direct method is the toggle in active status itself. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to turn on and customize your active status on Facebook so you can manage your online presence with confidence. If you found this walkthrough helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might want a quick refresher and stay tuned for more updates as Facebook occasionally reshapes its layout.